145,646 miles. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M3HU425. It's a beautiful 2003 Hummer H2. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. $145,646 miles. Clean truck, OEM side steps. We're gonna get those pulled off and powder coated. See if there's any rust on them. Army National Guard, thanks for your service, man. Plate filler, good. Lights all work, no busted tabs yet. Brandon, if you're watching this, that means you. Let me fix that. Much clearer. Yeah. Keep walking around. Hummers. A very interesting quagmire chin thing.
It's cool.
What's it for?
To look cool, and it works. It looks like they had something else mounted to it.
Yeah, something was up there. Who knows? Maybe I don't even want to make assumptions. Yeah. Hood insert's good too. No. Poopy poopy. There we go. LQ4 sold as a swap. Motor, belt driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Nice and quiet too. After all that work, we're gonna put the hood right back down. Step inside here and test some seats. Well, test some parts. It does have a very rare cloth interior. We have never seen one of these. Non-heated cloth. Door panels will be sold as a set of 4. Seats is a set of 4. Some cool upgrades in here. It's got a nice carbon fiber center stack. We're gonna pop that out and test it. Well, I don't know how you I don't even know what I'm saying. We're gonna pop this out and figure out if it's a sticker or carbon fiber. Oh, I'm a moron. We already knew that. CD. All right.
That's what happens to them.
What happened?
It broke.
What's it off of?
Lexus.
Oh.
When he's trying to smack your slots in there, that's what they did.
Lexus steering columns are breaking over here. We got you. All right, let's. How do I make this thing play a CD? It says to wait. All right. Well, while we're waiting, climate control works. One dead light right there. Just heard the air kick on. Sounds like the CD is gonna work. Motor's running great. Test out all these windows while we're here. I don't know, the Backstreet Boys might not be back. Did the power folds not work, Andy?
No, they do not.
All right.
I adjusted price.
Well, the mirrors do mirror things, just the power folding function's not working too well. Oh, console. Tight hinge. No storage cubby insert, darn it. CD player is not working. So, this is why we test things. Don't eat the Backstreet Boys. Don't do it. Anyways, transmission, reverse, drive, transfer case. There we go. We got 4 low. There we go. Look at that. Transfer case even works. Cool. All right. That is going to wrap it up for M3HU425, a 2003 Hummer H2. Take a quick look at the second row seat just so you guys can see it. More of this really weird grandma's cloth Hummer. This thing is sweet. Very cool. Yep, that's going to wrap it up though, guys. If you were looking for Hummer H2 parts, this is like the 420th Hummer we've parted out around here. So head on over to our website, www.jandjautoWrecking.com, or give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. We'll get you hooked up with some Hummer parts. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.